In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the loading speed of a website. I mean, when you click on a website in a search engine results, the time that is going to take the website to load, something like that. So this is a tutorial, website of mine. So if you're on my channel, you know this website. I use it for a lot of tutorials. So you are going to use it for this tutorial too. So now to check the loading speed of a website, whether it's for you or not, you can do this. You just need to copy the URL of the website. So now I come here and then I copy the URL of the website, and now I come here and I type website loading speed checker, something like that. You're going to get it. So you can see these are the top 3 results. So mostly I use this by Google, and this is Pingdom, and this is Gmetrics. I'm going to open the 3 of them. It's very, very simple. You don't need to create an account before you can do this. So now I've opened all these 3 pages. I'm going to show you. So mostly I use the Google one. Google is more realistic to me. So if let's say you are a web developer and you manage a website, I think you should be using this because it's going to show you the important changes you need to make on your website. So now let's paste our website here. So it's running the analytics, and here this is Gmetric or metrics here. So good, our analytics is ongoing, and here this Pingdom. Now good. So that's it. So if you are checking the loading speed of a website, in order to know the edit you need to make on it, I think Google's one is the best. Page speed insights is the best because they're going to show you a lot of things. So now look, they are saying it's 54, which is average. That's the performance, and here they're going to give you everything about your SEO best practices and accessibility, everything. So on here too, they'll give you the same thing. So they are saying they are grading it an A. They are giving it a grade A. They're saying everything is loading very, very right. This is because this is a tutorial website. Have nothing on it. The only everything is these things here, and I want to clear all of them. There's no importance of them here. There are no need. So that's why this website is graded an A, because there is nothing heavy on it. The images are just an image that I converted to WebPG, and then I did a copy paste. So the same image, nothing on here, no video as well. And they are giving this 69. So it kind of looks like this and this are on the same page, but this is out of the league. I don't know how they grade this, but then if you want to get more information about your insights or your analytics, you need to create an account, a free one, and then you get to know. So that's it on how you can check the loading speed of a website, any website. You just hop on here, you input it here, and they are good to go. So here is the changes you need to make, your JavaScript, your blah blah blah. So if you're on WordPress, you can edit all of these themes and then make your website load faster. And this is on mobile, and this is on desktop. So it's not even doing well on desktop. Mostly mobile is not going to do well like that, so you should get an average of 60-70, and then on a laptop you should be getting around 90 and 95. So if it's a professional website, I'll be saying I would have to do a lot of job on this. So that's it on how you can check the loading speed of a website. If you are new here, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. So that's it. Peace.